Hi everyone, my name is Guy and I'm a ServiceNow lead at Bislow, the official partner of ServiceNow Israel. In this video, I want to present you the CAB Workbench. The Change Advisory Board Workbench, or CAB Workbench, is a feature of the change management application, which allows CAB manager to easily schedule, plan, and manage CAB meetings. And it is available to anyone with right to the change management application. So here we see the CAB definition. This is similar to a recurring meeting invite where all attributes are defined for the CAB meeting series. A schedule is associated to each CAB definition, allowing the automatic generation of CAB meetings occurrences. Let's open the CAB meeting. Now I'm impersonate to Christine. Christine, she's a CAB manager. CAB agenda items are individual change requests that are automatically associated with the CAB meeting based on filter criteria which predefined. These are change requests that are discussed during the CAB meeting. On the left side, we have the name of the CAB meeting and the total duration of the CAB meeting. On the right side, we have a meeting notes when the CAB manager can write notes that will be saved to the CAB meeting, the list of the attendant, and the conference information, which have the meeting ID and password if necessary. On the left side, we have the change agenda of the meeting, which the CAB manager can promote the change and to get it to the top of the list. So each one of the attendants can easily navigate inside the CAB meeting before it started to see the changes and when is the relevant change that they connected to it. They can see like a preview of the change. I don't want to start a meeting. So they can see the preview of the change with all the change detail, planning, schedule, all the fields are read-only, so they cannot change it. To start the CAB meeting, the CAB manager can click the Start Meeting. So we can see the first item is selected with his details of the change. Now again, all the fields are read-only, but if we want to modify it, we can press the pencil, click the pencil, and modify the field. Basically, we connect it to the change request form itself. Another feature to the manager is the calendar, where we can see the schedule of the change. Now, if we have a conflict with another change, you can easily move the change to different start and end time. And by clicking the Save button, you can just modify a new start and date. Now, on the left side of the agenda item, we can see the time that passed from we start the change meeting. For this particular change meeting, we can see already 4 minutes from 10 minutes already passed. We can pause the clock. If we want to move to the next one, we just press the next one. We can resume it again and the timer keep running. We can click the demote the remote will move this particular item to the bottom of the list. We can notice now, because it passed more than half of the time, it changed the color from green to yellow. At the end of the discussion of the change, we can approve or can reject the change and then move to the next one. We have a filter over here that we can see. It's like a filter to the list we can see below. You can see now that past 7 minutes out of 10, so it changed the color from orange to red. Once clicking the approve, we have comments we can add, approved, and it will save inside the change, and we'll see the status of the change, approved, and we can go to the next one. So now we have a detail of the next one, and we start a new count, a new timer from the new change. On the left side, now we see 9 minutes passed from the total time of the change of the start of the meeting, not per item, but per the whole meeting. So keep tracking on that as well. We have 9 minutes out of 60 that we get. This is it, guys. Hope to see you from the next video. Bye bye.